Now, let's see the most proven and secret methods to earn money with Python in 2024. 1. Start a blog. Create a website using WordPress, write Python-related content, and earn variable income ranging from $300 to $2,000 per month, depending on the season and traffic. 2. Teach Python online. Offer live Python classes and potentially earn around $18,000 per month, but success may require a unique approach. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel Itfo. 3. YouTube tutorials. Create programming tutorials on YouTube, as there's always demand for up-to-date content in the ever-evolving field of programming. 4. Integrating OpenAI with Python. Utilize OpenAI's ChatGPT API to create AI tools and chatbots, then sell them to businesses for customer query handling, providing a new revenue stream.